So and today I am available with my next question that comes in CKA question is examination certification examination. But before starting, please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed earlier. Now let's see the next question. So that is the question number 5. So this is question based on the CNI and that has been added in the examinations syllabus after February 2025. So the question is that install and configure a container network interface of your choice that meets the specific requirement. Choose one of the following CNI option. First is Flannel using Manifest and second is Calico using Manifest. Ensure the selected CNI is properly installed and configured in the Kubernetes cluster. Now, the requirement is the CNI you choose must let pods communicate each other. So, Flannel and Calico both support this. Now, the next part is support network policy enforcement. So, that is the thing which is very crucial. You have to understand. If you have worked on both Flannel and Calico, you should be aware of this. Otherwise, if you are not, then you can also check and test. Flannel does not support network policy enforcement. So, in this case, you have to select the Calico. Install from the manifest file. Do not use it. So in this case, you have the manifest file is given, the URL is given. You have to use this URL to install. You cannot use Helm. So this is the condition. Support network policy enforcement. That basically you should, before going further, you read the question carefully and you should know that Flannel does not support network policy enforcement, so you have to install Calico. Okay, now go to your cluster and just copy and paste the URL, kubectl apply, and the URL is just copy and paste the URL with kubectl apply. Now you can see that Tegra operator is installed. Now after that you have to also install the custom resources. So for that custom resources, the URL will be same. Let's just change the custom resources.yaml. Okay. Now it is installed. You can check that is it installed properly or not. kubectl get ports. So you can say Calico system just -n Calico system. So you can see that it is installed and it will take time. Still all one node is, you can check the nodes are ready or not. The pod initializing, so you can wait here, it will take some time. Now check the Tegra operator. Okay, now it is also installed and running. So now you can check that all the Calicos are running and you need to check that you have to wait because it will take some time to ready in nodes. You can check that pods are running and communicating each other or not. So just install a sample or test pod. Now just install the test pod to check. Test pod 1 is created. Now run the test pod 2. Both are created. You can check. Okay. Both pods are ready. Now you have to check if these pods are communicating with each other or not. For this, first check the pod's IP. Now from test pod 1, you have to check test pod 2 is pinging or not. So just run this command. Kubectl exit test pod 1. Now you have got a shell on test pod 1. Just ping pod 2 192.168.49.66. Now you can see that it is responding. So that means pods are communicating. Now check the policy enforcement. So just you can just create a new default deny policy and create it, or you can take help from the Kubernetes documents. Network policy. So this is the default deny policy. You can copy it and just create a YAML. Default deny policy. You just create it and apply. The policy is created. Now you can check again. Okay. First check the IP. Sorry. Get pods taken by. Okay, the IP is now run that command to get the shell of the first pod. Now ping 192.168.49.66. Now you can see that network policy is input and it is not able to ping. So you have tested both the scenario and it is working fine. So in this way you can work on this question, and this is also very simple question. Just you have to give just 2 or 3 minutes more for verification purpose. Otherwise installation of Calico is very simple. So just please subscribe my channel and keep updated with my latest and upcoming videos that is based on the CKA certification exam and also CKA, also Kubernetes learning purpose. So thank you guys. That's it for this video. Next meet in our next meeting. Thank you guys.